Hey, it's Matthias Neu out of the Gronau office, and I'd like to talk real quick a little bit about the update of the Asset Monitor firmware version 2.0 that we brought up in June 2021 timeframe about this new MTP module type package protocol that we're supporting for driving all the configuration relevant and data structure relevant information out of the Asset Monitor to any further systems that's supporting the MTP protocol as well. Now, primarily, we're focusing here on the delta V for driving this data into delta V, for making it easy and integrating all these parameters and data structures and interfaces for sure as well. But finally, it's a standardized protocol. So that means all systems that are supporting MTP may be able to manage our data coming out of the asset monitor as well. Now, for that means module type packaging is a standardized methodology for enabling interoperability in between systems. So that means either the asset monitor to any PLC or other system DCS that can use this data finally from there. Now, the thing to do now is that asset monitor is providing the file in a file structure that can be exported out of the asset monitor directly, where you just need to browse into the asset section and you now see the new button export MTP, which will export a file to anywhere. So it's bringing it into the downloads folder for me automatically out of my browser, where I can show it to you as well from there. I'm bringing it over. So now you see this MTP export file, which can be manually handed over to any further system supporting MTP as well, and easily being enabled to connect to the asset monitor, automatically knowing the data structures, the interfaces, and where to find the relevant data for showing up any visualization finally of the faceplate design, potentially in Delta V or any other system supporting MTP.